Alright, now you guys wanted me to compare the accuracy of the health-centric features between the Galaxy Watch 6 series and the latest Galaxy Fit 3. Keep in mind the Galaxy Fit 3 is a smart band, or let's say a fitness band, which costs just about 1/5 or 1/6 of the Galaxy Watch 6 series. And this fitness band offers many health-centric features which are available on the Galaxy Watches. So let's go ahead and do a quick comparison between these two watches in terms of the health-centric features accuracy. Now I did some casual workouts for a few minutes while wearing the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic on my right hand and the Galaxy Fit 3 on my left hand. As you can see, it shows the duration of the workout, calories burned, and the heart rate at the bottom. This is same as the Galaxy Watch. For good reasons, Samsung has kept all these interfaces as same as the Galaxy Watch, despite not running on the Wear OS on the Fit 3. Now when we compare this, you can see the heart rate is almost as same as the Galaxy Watch. The calorie burnt is also almost same, just about 1 or 2 calories or 2-3 calories here and there. We can see the difference there. Even in the heart rate, there is just a minor difference between these two watches. And now you can see the heart rate zones here. That is also being shown on the Galaxy Fit 3. And the maximum heart rate information, you can see both are showing 141. However, the average heart rate is 124 on the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, whereas on the Fit 3, it's showing 121. Again, it's a minor difference, not something to be worried about. The heart rate zone is shown right in the middle on both these watches. After about 11 minutes of workout, you can see there is a difference of 4 calories between these watches, and the results are pretty close. This is just fantastic to see on this watch. Next, I measured the blood oxygen while exercising. You see the results on the Fit 3, it was 97%. Next, I measured it on this watch, which also displayed the same results, 97%. Next, I measured the stress. Both the watches showed the maximum stress levels because I measured this after exercising. Otherwise, during normal time, it just showed 0 stress on the watch. On both watches, I could see 0 stress when I was not exercising, when I was normal. You can see I can just tap on finish workout and it's going to show me all these details, the calories burnt, heart rate, average heart rate. It'll also show me heart rate zones like how it shows on the Galaxy watches. Next, I measured the steps as well on this watch, and I would say the steps count was quite accurate. Compared to the Galaxy Watch 6, I could see there was a difference of about 3 to 4 steps when I measured it while wearing both of them at the same time. Now the issue I have noticed here on this watch is that it doesn't sync quickly. After taking some steps, it takes a few seconds to sync up and show you the steps count on the watch. However, sometimes it was continuously recording live, but in terms of the steps count records, it is pretty accurate. I've also measured sleep on this watch. As you can see, it shows me the complete sleeping time with the actual sleep time right below that, and I got the sleep score here, and I can also see the sleep stages. Awake, REM sleep, light sleep, and deep sleep details are here. And it also measures the blood oxygen while sleeping. And if you want more details, you can just tap on advanced to open the application on the phone. And this watch can also detect snoring like the regular Galaxy watches. Now let me just open the health application. As you can see on the top, we have got daily activity. When I tap on this, it shows me the total steps taken, active time, and activity calories burnt as well. And we have got some detailed information when you scroll down here. And for more details, you can open the application on the phone. Then when I tap on steps, you can see we've got steps information here, and when I scroll down, you can see the distance covered, calories burnt, and floors climbed, and some more details right below that. Then we have got exercise. We have got a list of exercises here by default, and if you want to add more, you can tap on add. We've got this entire list here. You can add any exercise that you want. And then when you tap on workout this week, it is going to show you all the workout sessions that you have gone through for the week. You can just scroll down to see them in detail. Then we have got sleep, which we discussed in detail already. Then we have food, heart rate, stress, and cycle tracking for women. And then we have got water measurement option, a blood oxygen option, and together option. Then when you go to the settings, we can select the heart rate to measure manually and stress to measure manually, and we also have sleep option here. If you don't want blood oxygen during sleep feature, you can just disable that, and you can also enable or disable the snore detection on the phone when you tap on this option. Then when you scroll down, we have got this option activities to detect. When you enable this, the watch is going to auto detect the workouts, which is a fantastic feature which is already there on the Galaxy watches, the regular watches. This is available on the Galaxy Fit 3 as well. Then when you scroll down, we have got this option inactive time. When you enable this feature, you will get an alert after 50 minutes of inactivity. You can select the days on which you want these alerts. These are some information related to the health-centric features on the Galaxy Fit 3, and this is a quick comparison about the accuracy of these health features between the Galaxy Watch 6 series and the Galaxy Fit 3. I hope this video helps you guys to make an informed purchase decision. If it does, do hit that like button, and if you haven't been a part of Apex community yet, go ahead, subscribe to the channel. You will get to learn a lot about your gadgets on this channel. So go ahead, subscribe and give this video a like. Thanks for watching. My name is Salyan signing off. Cheers, bye-bye.